Okay, so let's understand the meaning of posting. First of all, we will have our accounting cycle as the main process, in which the processing is which in which the posting is just an element at the and as the third element, very specifically, accounting cycle. Okay, so first of all, at the start of the accounting cycle, we have a financial transaction, because if we have an entity, if we have a business, it will be very obvious that we will have our financial transaction. Okay, and this is the first step. Please also record that the process I will be writing in this in the circle, or we can say a box, and on the top of it I will write that how do we, just to get an idea that how do we get a sense that financial transaction has been occurred. It is mostly done on vouchers, like whenever an expense paid, or a bill is raised to get the revenue from the customer. So there we used to get invoice, like that. Okay, followed by that, after having after recording the after executing a financial transaction, we record it. An accountant will record the transaction through in the journal. What is journal? How do we record it? What are the rules? How do we measure the amount? That's another separate story, but we will understand the relevant material here. Okay, followed by that, which actually forms our solution, it is posting. Posting means that after say we have, let's say, about 100 of transactions. Okay, and after executing 100 transactions, we have also recorded it. But if we have recorded it and does not make any sense out of it, it will not make any sense out of it. Because why? Because we have not make them proper in a format to get a clear sense that what's happening with this entity, what's happening with this customer, what's the balance of this customer, how much we have to pay supplier. So after recording transaction, we have to post those journal transaction in the ledger to get the clear sense of the balances. Followed by that, we have our trial balance also. However, trial balance is a way to summarize the ledgers. So it is basically what? It's a process. It's a method, we can say. So it's the process is known as summary, or we can say summarizing. So it's a fourth part. Followed by that, we have financial statement preparation. It is the end. It is the end of accounting cycle. However, it is not the end of the business, but it's end of just getting the statement of financial position, that how where the entity stands in terms of financial situation. Okay, it's financial statement. Sorry. Okay, so we have derived our solution from this one. This posting. It's just posting is just transferring the hundreds of, or maybe say we can thousands of transaction in a clear format, so that we can determine what is the balance of this customer, how much or how much amount we have allocated to purchase a different type of inventory. It just ledger, or we can simply say ledgers. You can note it down also. Ledgers enable entity to determine the balance of each account with clarity. Not with clarity. I would rather say I would rather say in detail. We will see we'll also see that how does that come in detail. But as of now, we have our solution, the correct choice for problem 21 is posting. That is P. Okay. Yes. So that's all for the solution. Thank you.